we will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Ready, look, go, we're coming through. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your...
And today we're here at the Solvang Custom Knife Show, and we have a good friend of the channel, Mike Tyre, and he's going to be telling us about some of these beautiful knives that we see before us. So let's start from the top with this gorgeous Bowie knife.
It's a replica of a Bowie that was made in 1720, and the only difference, it's all original to the knife of 1720 except Damascus blade.
And is that feathers? Damascus?
I call that my peacock feathers.
Peacock feathers. And my favorite thing is you have a Damascus discussion blade.
And it's a takedown construction. It's removable.
Oh, so you can take this down to the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
That is amazing. And here is your sheath with the Damascus disc. Now you shove this into between your pants and your
Right,
belt.
it just catches your belt.
And that catch on your belt. I know I need to start doing that. And now over here to our next beautiful knife. So what is this twist handle made out of?
That's Arctic muskox.
Wow.
And this is a left-hand carry knife. It was kind of original in the 1200s for your left carry knife along with your saber sword.
So would this be the cross carry, or should you pull it out right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
same cross carry.
Man. And what kind of metal is this? Is just regular metal, or is this
Yeah, it's just a brass.
It's brass. Okay, there we go. And now we'll come over here to this beautiful knife. Once again, the peacock feathers, Damascus. And what kind is that? Mammoth or something?
No, that's muskox as well.
Oh, that's muskox as well. So we definitely have a theme here. Now I'm going to move over to the right because this thing looks like contained fire.
It's actually it's a fake tortoise. It's actually a plastic, and then I put 14 karat gold leaf behind it.
Oh man, that looks like it's got fire in it.
Yeah,
It really, really does.
and then it's got a little bit of file work here.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of that file work. And last but not least,
A little false frame hunter.
and what is the handle made out of?
That's bone.
That's bone.
Yeah, and then there's a little bit of the false frame, and there's a nice twist.
Well, that's very good. So, Mr. Tyre, how can people get a hold of you so they too can have a little bit of...
I got a website, Mike Tyre Custom Knives, and Instagram, Mike Tyre Knives.
All right, Mr. Tyre, thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you.
And fight, we will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from